Yeah, I'm back. Today I'm working on a Honda CR-V. It's a 2001 and I'm doing the oil change. So look at this. Okay, this is the I know, but I'll show you later what I'm doing. All right? This is the bolt that holds the oil in the bottom of the oil pan. Okay, so why I'm showing this, the the gasket's still there. Okay, this O-ring is made of aluminum and hold on, I'll put it right here. Please stay. Okay, right here. And this is the oil filter I'm gonna put on. I don't know where. Just right here. This is the part number. Hold on, focus, please. Oh, right here. And see the gasket, it's right here. So this is a new one. So I recommend to you, so when you do the oil change, please change this little thing. And also, I'm almost ready to add the oil. I'm going to put this right here. See, I got the funnel right here. I cleaned with a rag the outside of this, and also I cleaned with a rag the oil cap to make sure that there's no debris in here, because if there's any, when you screw it on, it may leave a little open gap because of the debris and it's going to leak oil. So and I gave it a good wipe down, so now it looks nice and almost like new, even though this vehicle is like 18 years old. But anyways, so we're going to continue adding the oil the oil that goes in here in the CRV, it's always the same thing. It's written on the cap right here. Make sure to add, hold on a second, please focus. Okay, so SAE 5W30, the API. So this is the oil that you should add in the engine. So, and I already removed the drain plug, and I'll show you what I mean underneath. Okay, so I'm going to replace this little washer, and we're going to go underneath and continue this video. I added about a quarter cup of oil in here. I made a little mess, but that's okay. And I installed the new washer right here. Well, actually, it's a seal. It's an aluminum seal. It's an OEM part from Honda. Anyway, oh, by the way, this is 17 millimeters. Tools needed for this job is basically a rag, a new oil filter, a new seal, 17 millimeter key, and I'll show the other tools when they're underneath. You'll see just one more tool needed. Oh, sorry. A funnel is a good thing to have, and of course, oil. But anyways, so let's go down. See what I meant by the other tool? Sorry, but the lighting's not too good. I got my 17 millimeter key right here, and this nifty little tool. I don't know if you can see it properly because hold on, I'll try to hang my light from somewhere. Right here. See this nifty tool? It's this is the part number right here. It's 656714. It's made from Fram, and this is 3/8 socket, so a socket goes right in. And I won't put it upside down because see, there's little grooves on the side of the filter. Many filters for many cars had these little grooves, and she goes right in. So this is a socket for removing oil filters. Anyways, so we'll continue with this. See right here, this is the oil for the bottom of the oil pan. What you need to do is take a rag, clean it, make sure she's really clean. There's nothing in between the two surfaces. Okay, she's good and clean. So now take your nut and put it inside. All right, she's screwed back in. The oil pan is a good thing to have. This is the old oil filter. I'm going to move the oil pan. Oh, jeez, oops. I'm going to move the oil pan aside, and we'll deal with that later. And the oil filter goes again on top. I don't know if I can get it. Okay, can you see it? Hold on.
camera on this. Okay. Can I see it? Yeah, I'll put the little arrow. See the arrow right there? This is where the oil filter goes. So again, sorry, I would need another hand, but there's limited space in here. So I'm going to clean the ring where the oil seal sits on, and I'm going to screw right that in. So sorry I can't film this because it's quite there's not a lot of space in here. So thanks for your patience. Oops. I just dropped the cell phone. Okay guys, so sorry, I'm trying to get a better view. Okay, so the new oil filter, okay, hi guys, the new oil filter is in right now, and the trick to that is for them not to leak is once it's installed, screw it all the way in, and as tight it touches the motor, put just a quarter turn. Okay, so this is a mechanic told me that. All right, so and also the bolt right here is tightened, and right now I'm ready to go out and put oil in. About ready to add the oil. So see, this is what I'm going to put inside. So it's good enough for it's all the ratings that my engine needs. So and she needs about 4 liters. So now she's dry. So this is 4.4 liters. So I'm just going to add about all the oh, sorry about the. I'm going to add. See with the funnel how great it goes. There's no messes, and it goes so easy. So I'm going to add. Okay, I should be close to 4 quarts soon, but I'm not sure. So what you do is, see, there's about a quart left. There's about that much left inside. So what I'm going to do is to make sure I don't put too much oil. The oil gauge is right here. So we're going to remove this guy. See, right now she's full of oil because, yeah, the oil. See, it was really mucky. So that's why I replaced it. So we're going to clean this. Oops. Get a good white. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall it. The CRVs are quite tricky, but once you get the hang of it, sorry, see the little hole inside? I'll get it. Okay, she's right in. Just wait a few seconds. Move it. There's none showing. Needs more. Okay, so we'll put that back in. Oops. Okay, so we're going to, one thing we should do, I'm going to check underneath if there's any leaks. Just missing a bit of oil. So I'm going to add another quart. We'll see here what's happening with this guy. Starting to show. We'll wait a bit because sometimes it takes a few minutes for the oil to find its way, because the engine, the oil goes all through these little passages everywhere and takes these like little zigzags everywhere, and there's just little pinholes for the oil when it circulates to give it more time to cool. So anyways, so by the time it goes all the way down, it takes a few minutes, it takes at least a minute or two. So we'll continue this process. We'll top off the oil on the dipstick at the proper level. So anyways, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up or click right here to subscribe to see more of my videos. So thanks for watching.